So right now, the biggest challenge is employers are seeing a lot of resumes. In LinkedIn, there is something which is called as quick apply. Whether it is a good fit or not a good fit, and then there is with the chat GPT coming in, employers, when they see the 1,000 resumes, everything looks the same. Hello, vanakkam, welcome back. இன்னைக்கு பேச போற டாபிக் என்னன்னா, it is about the big splash. What is the big news in the industry? Majority of the companies, எல்லா கம்பெனிஸ்லயுமே the chief complaint is they are overflowed. The quantity of resumes what they are getting is incredible. They are inundated. ஒரு பொசிஷனுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 100-200 ரெsume வந்துட்டு இருந்ததுன்னா, today they are getting over 900 to 1,000 resumes. As a result of which they are not able to really identify who are the good candidates. Because companies யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, ஒரு பொசிஷனுக்கு 200 ரெsume வந்துச்சுன்னா ஒரு 2 பேர் 3 பேர் அந்த கேண்டிடேட்ஸை ஸ்கிரீன் பண்றாங்கன்னா, இன்னைக்கு today they are getting thousands of resumes. அந்த 1000 பேரை ஸ்கிரீன் பண்றதுக்கு how do we really go through the screening process? இதனால employers are actually thinking about quality versus quantity. How do we get only good quality resumes and less resumes? But the challenge is the job market is heading in a different way. There is more and more layoffs. The market is really tight. A lot of people unemployed, and specifically in the IT, you see this as a trend right now. There are a lot of people who are in IT who are looking for jobs. How are employers overcoming this, and what do employers recommend? That is what we are going to talk about. So right now, the biggest challenge is employers are seeing a lot of resumes. Why? Because there are various different tools. Like for example, in LinkedIn, there is something which is called as quick apply. You can immediately trigger off an email. Immediately the application goes in and there is one more resume what they get. Whether it is a good fit or not a good fit, and then there is with the chat GPT coming in. This is one of the chief complaints. Every other cover letter looks the same. It is written, the language is the same. Using chat GPT to write cover letters, then what you're doing is you're sticking with a pile of, you're one among the crowd. All of these tools have started giving you quick applies, as a result of which candidates சீக்கிரமா apply பண்ண முடியுது. In the sense they are able to accelerate and apply. But on the other side, candidates are also having frustration that nobody responds to it. This is a classic problem what we have. One, demand avlo illa, but there is a lot of people who are looking out for jobs are applying because the tools are available. Quick apply பண்றதுக்கு, rapid application kaga, like tools like ChatGPT. Candidates are using canned tools like to build cover letters, as a result of which employers, when they see the 1,000 resumes, everything looks the same. So how do we solve this? That is what is the challenge. And how are employers solving this? I'm going to talk about that in the next video coming up. All right, so stay tuned.